Hi, I'm Kiano, and today I'm making a breakfast smoothie bowl with a homemade granola. When making a homemade granola, it's important to keep things kind of simple, but also take advantage of putting all your favorite things in the bowl. I like to have a good mix of textures, flavors, and of course, nutritional value. Both the oil and honey are going to allow the granola to crisp up in the oven and get that beautiful golden brown, but also prevent it from burning. Once everything is well coated, you want to spread it onto a sheet tray and really pack it in there. The granola is going to bake at 325, mixing halfway through just to make sure everything is toasting nice and evenly. This is one of my favorite smoothie blends. The berries in here provide, of course, that beautiful pink color as well as a little bit of tartness. And just to contrast that tartness from the berries, I like to add in a few pitted dates. Elderflower is a combination of the essence of elderflower along with a little bit of lemon sugar. It is such a delightful flavor and really makes this smoothie feel special. Smoothie bowls are fantastic because it takes something that's typically a grab-and-go meal and makes it a sit-down occasion. And as if there isn't enough fresh fruit in here, I add on a couple extra berries. This is really to give a third kind of texture to the bowl. This is definitely a batch make-ahead breakfast. You can store the extra granola in a jar as well as store any extra smoothie you have in the fridge, so you can be making smoothie bowls all week.